Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Principal for retirement and insurance accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Principal for your retirement and insurance accounts, visit the Principal website. On the home page, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to direct you to the authentication page. Enter your user ID in the designated box. If you have not registered yet, select the option to create an account. Next, provide your personal information as requested, which may include your social security number and date of birth. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your security questions. Once your information is confirmed, set a secure password. After your account is established, return to the login page. Type your user ID and password in the appropriate fields. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your email or mobile device for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the designated box on the login page. If the code is correct, you will be granted access to your account. In case you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the instructions to reset your password. After successfully logging in, you can navigate to your retirement and insurance accounts. Make sure to log out after completing your session for security purposes. If you encounter any issues, contact Principal's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.